Hello guys and welcome to my new doll repaint video. And today we will customize one of the coolest dolls ever, and I'm talking of course about this gorgeous big Frankie Stein hat. I wanted to give her a makeover already for a very long time, but unfortunately it's very difficult to find them in Europe. But lately I finally seen one for an insane price of 84 euro. But I really wanted to work on her. I wanted to work on her so much that I bought this big Frankie doll. And you know, this is actually a very cool play set. Of course, the doll looks gorgeous. But you know, she also has extremely a lot of accessories and kind of different ways to decorate and play with her. You can see that there is a set of false nails that can be used both on the doll and also on the doll's owner. All these things, like tiny pins, can be used for decorating the nails, her neck and also her earrings. You can see that she has special holes in it, in nails, in the neck and the earrings, everywhere. And you can install these tiny, I don't know, pins, studs, how to call these things, into them. Then she also has a lot of hair accessories. She also has a strand of pink hair extensions, really nice. You can see that her ears are sort of half pierced, so she can wear all kinds of earrings. You know, I will probably not unbox all these accessories because I'm planning to sell this doll after the makeover. I want to give her a new face. And you know, I want the new owner to get all these accessories untouched. Like a brand new set, just with a doll with a different new face. So, but you can see that this is really an example of a very well made styling doll hat. The face is cute, there is a lot of hair, it's not another half-bald doll. This doll has really a lot of hair, no empty spots, really nice. Interesting accessories. I really love this set, really. And her hands are actually removable. This is also very good, very practical. And also here on the front we have a drawer to be able to storage all the accessories. It's also very nice. But of course we will not just sit here and enjoy this doll. Instead of this we will take pure acetone and we will wipe her face off, and then we'll give her a completely new realistic looking face, keeping her original features. I mean, the different colored eyes, one eye will be blue, another one green, the scars, the stitches. I think it will be fun, so let's go. You can see that there is a little bit staining left on her face from the pink paint, but it's okay, I will cover it up with soft pastels, it's not a problem. And I've also decided to paint her hands separately from the body, it will be easier, I think. So now let's seal it all with Mr. Super Clear Sealant and let's start drawing. I begin with sketching her eyes and eyebrows, and then I start applying shadows and highlights using soft pastels. I'm using a little bit muddy turquoise color for the shadows and white for the highlighted areas. Then I move on to her eyeshadows. They will be purple like the original doll used to have, but I want to make them more blended and sort of looking like a real person makeup. When I'm happy with eyeshadows, I begin drawing her eyes. This step is my favorite, to be honest. This is what I really wanted to make. A Frankie doll with realistic looking eyes. And of course, like I said, one eye will be blue and another one will be green. When I'm almost finished, I'm drawing the scars with stitches on her cheek and on her neck. And then I'm blushing her hands as well. Yes, it all looks good. Now let's attach false lashes, and I will use regular human size falsies for her. She has bigger eyes, and I think she will look good with long and kind of full lashes. And then I'm applying gloss to her eyes and lips. So guys, this is my version of the big Frankie doll hat. I think she started to look like an extremely cute schoolgirl now. I really love the way she turned out. I think she looks absolutely beautiful, really. You know, I really like working on Frankie dolls in general. I think Frankie has the cutest face mold from the entire Monster High collection. So I'm really glad I finally got a chance to work on the big version of this doll. You know, I've actually bought another interesting big styling doll hat, a completely different kind, and I will try to repaint her maybe still by the end of this year, or can be in the very beginning of the next year. Let's see how it will go. So please let me know in the comments what you think about this doll, about this makeover. If you want to buy her, you can find the link in the description box under this video, and I will see you in the next one. I took a short break after my big Halloween specials, and now I'm ready to start working on my holidays dolls, so please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next week in the next video. Have a nice weekend, bye!